How can compliance with Washington state safety regulations prevent electrical hazards? Following Washington state safety regulations is one of the best ways to prevent fire risks, electrical shock, and overheating. State and national electrical codes ensure wiring is installed properly and safely, reducing fire risks. Safety mechanisms like ground fault circuit interrupters and proper circuit breakers help prevent electrical shock. Proper wire sizing is crucial to avoid overheating, which can lead to electrical fires. Want to know if an electrical injury claim applies to your case? Attorney Matthew Hale of Hale Law is here to help. For 20 years, Attorney Matthew Hale has helped clients just like you seek damages and justice when electrical hazards cause injury. Have questions or in need of legal help in White Center, Washington? Get in touch with us at www.mrhale.law today.